Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and dear children. This is your captain speaking. Welcome to my first video on my channel. Alright, this is the 8th of December 2020. As you can see, I am standing in front of the CIP lounge of Turkish Airlines in İstanbul Airport in Ankara, which is the capital city. In this video, I will share my experience with business class in Turkish Airlines between Ankara and Istanbul airports. So let's go inside and enjoy. Alright guys, we are inside. This CIP lounge, CIP means, by the way, commercially important person. This CIP lounge has two sections. First section is Elite Plus Business Lounge. If you have Elite Plus card and if you travel in business class, you will use this section. If you travel in economy and if you have Classic Plus and Elite cards, you will use that lounge. Okay, so let's check out the business lounge. Okay, as you can see all precautions of COVID. Keep distance, wash hands, everything. Nice design. So let's check out the buffet. Before the coronavirus, here you could taste a lot of Turkish meals. I mean Turkish soup or everything. But right now you can only drink, for example, cold beverages and some snacks. And in order to drink hot beverages like coffee and tea, you will have to call waitress. All right. This bread is very important in Turkey. We cannot live without bread. Very important. Here you have forks and everything. All right. And that bus will take us to our aircraft. So we can see the boarding bridges, runway, the other section of CIP lounge here. Alright, so we are waiting right now our flight. Alright guys, it's time for boarding. Okay, this shuttle bus will take us to our aircraft, which is 100 meters away. Boeing 737. Alright guys, this bus has given us a ride and we will go upstairs and start to board. Let's go. Alright guys, right now we are inside of the aircraft, which is Boeing 737-800. My seat is 4A. As you can see, they converted economy class seat into business class. In my opinion,
Cabin crew flights are not cross-checked.
But, that's okay. We will see the service we will receive. Alright guys, just before entering to the aircraft, flight attendants gave us a hygiene kit. This package contains 2 packages of antiseptic wipes and 1 coronavirus mask. So we are ready. Alright guys, we are about to take off. Beautiful sunset in Ankara. Lined up. As we are gaining altitude, you can hear the classic sound of Boeing 737. Alright guys, let me show you the beautiful view of the city of Ankara. Beautiful sunset. You can Istanbul. It has been very smooth, non-turbulent flight. As you can see, this is very crowded place right now. So overall experience, the fact of the matter is it has been very tasteless flight because they didn't serve us anything except a bottle of water. It has been tasteless because our lives has been tasteless last 7 months due to pandemic, so it's normal. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.